only you can create your dream home. Whether you're extending your house, renovating it, converting an old building, or building a new one. The construction process can be both exciting and expensive. It may even be the biggest investment of your life. It can also go wrong. That's when having the right insurance is so important. Say hello to site insurance. This type of cover is specially designed to protect everything about your self-build project, including you, the works carried out, any people on site, and any buildings already there. Home insurance will rarely cover alterations, and most builders' policies only activate when they're working. Site insurance is the best way to ensure that your project and your dream home is properly protected throughout the build. At Self-Build Zone, we offer flexible policies to suit any project. Get your quote online or call us today.